Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Arnav here today. So you already read the title of this video. Well, yeah, it's kind of weird because I don't normally do this. So today we're going to be doing a physics class. Actually, no, it's not a physics class. It's more about this hover drift soccer ball thingy. So today we're going to go inside this and see how this thing actually drifts around. Well, let's get to it. So we're going to start by first showing you how it works. So when you turn it on, it lights up, and then it makes a thin curtain on the ground, but it doesn't work on this carpet. So yeah. Anyway, we're going to go inside it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and it goes in. And here it is, guys. So you have the base plate. We don't need that. But here's the inside. So basically, it's just a big brushless motor. Not brushless. It's a big motor that spins around in the top of this thing. Also, it also has LED lights right here. And it also has attachment pole thingies, so you can attach it like that. And it also has this foam thing, so you can like absorb the attack, so it doesn't do anything on your walls when you kick it. And I'll show you guys a full demo of it soon. So yeah. And once we take off the outer, here's the brains of it. So as you can see, there's like a little motor that's right there. I don't think you can see, but there's like a kind of motor there, and there's a bunch of wires that are attaching to it, so then when I turn it on, it lights up and it causes us to spin. Now I'm going to turn it off, and now we're going to put it back on. So we're going to first start by putting this on, and we're going to put our base plate thing. This is the hardest part because you can't see what you're doing. So you don't know if you're going to get it correctly or not. And you just have to guess if you get it in. Oh, I think I know why it's not going in. You have to unlock this thing. Oh, it makes the weirdest sounds. Now let's turn it to lock. So now it's locked. Oh. And by the looks of it, it's weak. Anyway, guys. Well, we're now going to see how the hoverboard works. Or, it's not a hoverboard, it's a hover soccer kick thingy. We'll show you guys how it works. So we're going to turn it on now. And it makes like a thin current of air so that it drifts freely. And with the foam on, it can like bounce off stuff. And it works better on soft material. So come along, guys. So it works on really soft material, as you can see. And you can even spin it freely, and it goes freely. That's because there's a thin current of air. You can like see through it, but I don't think you can see it then. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Before anything else, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notifications for more amazing videos. Well,